Jiko, the cooking place, Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. This is one of the signature restaurants at Walt Disney World. It's at Animal Kingdom Lodge in Jambo House. And it is a wonderful restaurant. I really do enjoy it. This was my third visit there, and I think it was my absolute favorite. So when I first got there, which was basically at opening, they were already quite busy. The restaurant is only open for dinner. I was a solo diner, so they asked if I would be willing to sit in the cooking place. You can see pictures here of what section of the restaurant that is. It's not one of the regular tables. It's like a bar area, not a bar with alcohol area, but a bar area where you would sit, and you're going to overlook where they have the ovens for the pizzas and the flatbreads, and where they also make some of the other appetizers and foods that are served at the restaurant. And I ended up really enjoying it. The workers there, if they had time, would answer questions and interact with you, which I thought was very, very nice. My server, Chelsea, asked what I would like to drink, and I always do enjoy the African wines at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I decided on a Shiraz that night, and she brought over to me this Cedarburg, which is an African Shiraz wine, and it was absolutely delicious. I have to say, I totally enjoyed that glass of wine. So next out was the bread. This is what they call giraffe bread. There's rice flour that they put on the top, and when they put it in the oven, it creates this look like the top of it is actually the spots on a giraffe, and the bread is so good. I personally didn't even need the butter because that's how much I enjoy this bread. As I had at Mara, the Mickey Mummy cupcake earlier in the afternoon, I was not as hungry as I originally planned to be when I got to the restaurant. So I started off with the Jiko salad, and I asked for it, obviously no tomatoes, as I don't like making tomatoes. And here is Vince right in front of me making my salad. And it was just so much fun watching him actually make my salad. He was also making other people's salad. The ingredients are so fresh, and it was so enjoyable watching how he made it. And this is what the salad looks like when it comes to you. It was absolutely delicious. I said to Vince, I said, this would be absolutely perfect with some plain grilled shrimp. And he said to order the enhancement, the fire roasted shrimp. I told him I didn't like chili. I didn't like anything spicy. And he said it actually wasn't. If you look, you can actually see the chili on the plate. And that really was the only thing that made it spicy. These shrimp were delicious. And with the salad was the perfect meal with my glass of wine. I have to say, I enjoyed it so, so much. So this was my view while I was eating my dinner. Chelsea and Vince were terrific. My salad with the suggested shrimp was wonderful. And I really, really did enjoy my experience this time. So I highly recommend the restaurant. And if you get the opportunity, sitting at the cooking place.